Hello everyone, it's Alfred here again with another video. This time I have the Icon Professional Mechanic Screwdriver Set in the 8-piece, as well as the Icon Professional Mini Screwdriver Set in the 4-piece. Today's date is April 8th, 2026, and currently Harbor Freight is having their Spring Black Friday sale. Part of the sale is 35% off on all Icon screwdrivers. I have the flyer here, 35% all Doyle, Icon, and Quinn screwdrivers and pliers. So I went ahead and got the set of Icon screwdrivers. The only screwdrivers that I have currently here in the home are just the Pittsburgh red and blue screwdrivers, which are pretty decent. But you know, for 35% off, I decided to go ahead and upgrade, and you get the Icon variant. So here they are, starting with the Icon Professional Mechanic Screwdriver in the AP set. The model number is ACSD8. It comes in 8 pieces. I got the red and black colorway. They also do have the green and black colorway as well. I currently have a US General 42-inch roll cab with the top chest. And the roll cab is in red. So I kind of want to just match my tools up with the red and black theme. If not, I would have, the green ones look pretty nice as well. But decided to go with the black and red. Thing about these screwdrivers, they have anti-cam out ribs provided for maximum grip. I will go ahead and unbox them shortly. Just want to show you the side profile, the Icon Professional Mechanic Screwdriver Set 8-piece. And here's some details in the back. Again, with all Icon tools or hand tools, it comes with a premium storage tray that's included. I usually don't use this because they take up a lot of space, even in my 42-inch roll cab, and even the top piece. I'm very limited in space, so I usually don't use these. I store them. I still have them for my wrenches and stuff like that, but inside of my toolbox, I don't normally use that. So there's that. Just to recap, here's the Icon Professional Mechanic Screwdriver Set. It has shock resistant special alloy steel for superior strength, anti-cam out ribs on Phillip tips for maximum grip on fasteners, precision machine magnetic tips, so they're all magnetized on the tips, reinforced shanks with hex bolsters. A little close up of what the graphics look like for the screwdriver. It has precision machine magnet tips for perfect non-slip fit and added control. Wrench ready bolster on shank for high torque applications. Oversized ergonomic design to deliver secure grip, increased torque, and maximum comfort. That's the one thing actually I did notice for these screwdrivers. The handles are actually pretty thick. Considering the size of the screwdriver, they're very the comfort grip is very big on these screwdrivers, which I think I like. I mean, I haven't put them on hand, but I would think I usually do like styles of the comfort grip with thicker handles, but time will tell if I actually do like them or not. But I think I might, so we'll go ahead and see. Has high polish finish, resistant corrosion, and clean and stays clean. Chemical resistant handles for extended life tool. Tip type printed on handle for easy identification. So at the end, it's either a line for flathead and then a cross for Phillips on the end here. I'll show you when I take it out of the box. Here's a little bit more of the anti-cam out ribs of the tip of the screwdrivers. Here are the sizing for the Phillips and for the flathead. There they are there, and the length of the screwdrivers. And again, it does have a lifetime warranty for all Icon and Pittsburgh Quinn hand tools. Here, as you can see, is designed by Icon in the USA, product of Thailand, finished in China. So who knows where this is made. I mean, I don't even know what that means. I know for most of the Icon tools is a made in Taiwan. Here we have 3 different countries of origins: the design, the product, and the finish. So It is a little unique in that sense, but it does look like a quality tool. Again, only time will tell. Moving over to the Icon Professional Mini Screwdriver Set, the item number MSD4 4-piece set. You can see here it has the same red and black finish as the other 8-piece set screwdriver. It has two slotted, two flatheads and then two Phillips. Here are the sizing there, and again the lifetime warranty. Here on the side, again, just a little bit more information. It's pretty much the same thing that says on the front, and then it has a picture of the premium tray that's included. Same thing, 6 inches compact overall length, so they are very short. And being a mini screwdriver, again, precise machine vapor blasted magnetic tips, which is great to hear. Again, precision machine vapor blasted magnetic tips for perfect non-slip fit and control and added control. Ergonomics, you know, it pretty much almost the same as the other ones, just obviously these are way smaller compared to these bigger handled Icon screwdrivers. Soft grip, again, steel or chrome plated. Steel offers superior corrosion, lifetime warranty. This one here is designed in the USA and manufactured in Taiwan. So this is more the usual Icon manufacturing in Taiwan, as opposed to the Icon here, the AP set, where it's in Thailand and then it's in China and designed here. So anyways, show you that. Here's the other side of the box. So let me go ahead and take them out of the box and I will be right back. All right, everyone. So here is the screwdrivers out of their packaging. And as you can see, first thing right off the bat, I don't know if it'll show on camera, but because they are manufactured in different countries and different factories, you can definitely see there's a clear difference in the color red. On camera, it kind of looks similar, but in person, this red is a lot darker than the red that's provided here in the bigger screwdrivers. Yeah, close up, they look very similar here, like almost the same. But I will assure you in real life, these screwdrivers here are a lot darker red than this shade here. This is more vibrant. This is a darker red here. So just wanted to point that out. But first, we can start off with the 8-piece screwdriver, the regular piece. Again, this is a 8-piece set, and it comes with the longer handles, both flathead and Phillips. And I can take them out to kind of see size comparisons. Then you have your medium, Phillips and flathead. Sorry, I'm all over the place here in the camera, but okay, you can do these here. And we'll get the stubbies here in the end. So here they are here. Here's the Icon 8-piece screwdriver set. As you can see, quick size comparison, and they are magnetic tip. As you can see, they're sticking to each other here. So yeah, they look quality. The grip, the rubber piece is very rubbery, grippy. This red mold, plastic mold, is definitely a harder plastic. And then here's the end piece, so letting you know if you put them down in your cart, if they're facing this way, you can see that this is a flathead as opposed to a Phillips head where it would have the cross there. They are very large, and as far as like the grip handle, they're pretty big substantially, but I do like this style. I feel like I can get a lot of torque with this. The ridges, the angles of everything I do enjoy. There's some texture there, as you can see. This hard plastic, but here this rubberized piece, I do like that feeling. Kind of close up there. You can see the close up on the Phillips head here. You can see those ridges. Magnetized, so they are looking good so far. Then we take these ones out here. These are the mini set 4-piece screwdrivers. Again, it comes with 4, 2 Phillips, 2 flathead. The rubberized piece, it is a nice rubber as well. The Icon logo here on the side with the plastic. It's the same plastic material, harder plastic with the rubberized black piece there and the same texture. Magnetized. And here is the Phillips. If you can focus, there you are. So it doesn't have the ridges like the other screwdrivers have, but they are smaller in size. Definitely good material. Again, the color is a little off compared to these ones, but overall they feel good. They feel good in the hand actually. So again, this is just a quick look and unboxing of the Icon screwdrivers in both the standard 8-piece and then the mini set screwdriver in the 4-piece. Currently, Harbor Freight, there is a Black Friday parking lot sale for 35% off all screwdrivers. So if you're seeing this video during that time, take advantage of that because normally it's $49.99 for the 8-piece and then $19.99 for the 4-piece mini screwdriver set. So with 35% off, that's a good deal. So I would recommend them. How they work, how I use them. I feel like I am really going to like these sets of screwdrivers. The mini ones, you know, I was in the store. I didn't want to pass it up. I don't think I would use these as much, but 35% off for $19.99. I just went with it. Decided just to go ahead and buy those. But these ones, I think I will definitely enjoy. But again, only time will tell. Anyways, here's a quick first look and unboxing of the Icon screwdrivers in the regular standard and mini set. Thanks for watching. One thing I wanted to mention is for the mini screwdriver set, wanted to show you the actual screwdrivers, the comparison between the two. So as you can see, here are both the flathead mini screwdrivers. As you can see, here is a very smaller flathead compared to this one, which is more of a standard size. Comparison of the two. And then for the Phillips, we have them here. As you can see, the size difference of the tips there for the Phillips. But wanted to point that out.